In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI UGC video in the best arcades alternative. This AI is novoads.ai. That is an alternative to arcades AI that you can try for just $1. In arcades AI, for example, if you want to try it, you have to pay $77. And then, after that, you have to pay $110 a month. This is a lot. In Novohci, after you try it, our cheaper plan is $39 a month. And as I said, having to pay $77 to try it, I think that is a lot. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this video that you could do for less than $1. So to do that video in novoads.ai, that the link is going to be in the comment section, we have to create an account, and after that, you will arrive here. Now we have to go to the video section, and here we are going to use the model Seedance 2.0. Now here we are going to upload an image of our product and paste the following prompt. This is a very simple prompt that literally I created in a minute. So now we have to click here and finally in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 7 minutes. Perfect, here we have the video, so now let's see it.
That workout was brutal, but let me show you how I recover. My secret weapon, gold standard whey. This stuff is a game changer. 24 grams of protein per serving. I drink this every single day. Try it, thank me later.
Well, I don't know what you think, but I like it a lot. The video looks really realistic and professional. So if you want to do UGC videos and don't want to spend $77, you can try today Novohci AI for just $1. So after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.